Chapter 1. Important Positions in the Hockey Field. There are no fixed positions in the hockey field. Even the goalkeeper can change the position by coming forward if required. The players plan their positions accordingly in a similar style to American football. The players arrange themselves in the following order: forwards, front line, midfielders, halfbacks, defenders, fullbacks. One player from each team becomes the goalkeeper. Goalkeeping is considered to be a specialized job, often done by one individual throughout the match. The goalkeeper must take special precautions, such as wearing a special suit while defending hits from attackers. Helmets, shin guards, kickers, body and arm protectors, padded shorts. The goalkeeper is now called the fully protected goalkeeper. Here are some things a goalkeeper should do. The goalkeeper can use any part of his body to defend the hits from the opposing team. The goalkeeper must carry the stick all the time during the match. A fully protected goalkeeper cannot cross a 23-meter radius while defending. However, if the fully protected goalkeeper takes off his helmet, then he can move all over the field and play like any other player. Another important position is the sweeper. Sweepers are generally considered to be the best player and more agile than the rest of his teammates. His job is mainly to defend, but he can play the entire field and make major moves in the match. Chapter Review. This chapter explains the important playing positions in field hockey.